Hey y'all, today is day 2 of the fruit and vegetable cleanse. We are doing this cleanse for 30 days.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
And let's just recap on day 1. Day 1 was okay. It wasn't too bad. I wish I had more fruit to eat throughout the day, but I didn't. But guess what? We're going to go to the grocery store today to get some more fruit and meal prep for today and tomorrow. But I'm going to go ahead and start my antioxidant juice for this morning. And then we're going to juice a pineapple and cucumber just to have some fresh juice on hand.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sitting right next to you.
So our juice is made. Oh my god, it looks so freaking good. I can't wait to taste it over some ice. But I'm about to do the worst part, and the part I hate the most about juicing, and that's cleaning up. So I'm gonna clean up and I'll be right back with my next meal. No, not right back. I'll see y'all later for my next meal. So my next meal, I decided to go with some fruit, some strawberries and blueberries. I didn't have time to really record because I was trying to edit these videos. All right, y'all, I'm back and it's now snack time. I don't even think I ate anything but fruit for lunch. And I drank some green juice, but I'm going to go ahead and make dinner and a snack before we have to go to Tank football practice.
Hey, start getting your shoes out the door, leaving now.
I'm gonna tell y'all, one of the reasons why this may be so difficult is because when you have a family and they are still eating the same things you used to eat or you want to eat, it's so very tempting, y'all. They are eating sloppy joe sandwiches. Let me show y'all. Sloppy joe so bad, y'all. Put that thing on a piece of bread, y'all, with some chips, y'all, and a pickle, y'all. But I ain't gonna do it. I'm about to make my snack. All right, anyway, let's get into this snack. The snack gonna be very simple. We're gonna do carrots and we're gonna pair it up with the red pepper hummus as we did yesterday. And then for dinner, because I like that meal that I got from the food court yesterday, I went and bought the same things. I bought fresh French green beans. This time I got mushrooms and I got some sweet potatoes as well. And so I'm gonna eat that and, you know, do my little thing with it. And that's gonna be dinner.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sitting right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Drizzle a little wildflower honey on my sweet potato, and then I have this sugar. Yeah, gonna do a pinch of this hurricane sugar on my sweet potato, and that's it. If you are still here with me, go ahead and like, comment, and share and subscribe to this channel. I also did forget to mention on my last video, I drink 6 of these a day. They're 22 ounces of water 6 times. That's like 1 gallon of water a day. Is that 1 gallon? Close to it if it's not. But that's how much water I intake a day. I'm going to eat my snack. And when I come back from football practice, I'm going to eat my dinner. And then I'm going to eat some more strawberries and blueberries. And that's it for day 2.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.